Hi, my name is Varisha, and today I'm going to tell you how to apply a tag to a list of customers in ScoreCEO portal. So once you've logged into your ScoreCEO, you're going to go to the leads and consumers area. Once you're in the leads and consumers area, you're going to go to this section where it says add list tags in the green tab and click on that. Once you've clicked on that, it will show you a checkbox next to each lead that you want to apply a tag to. So for instance, I want to apply a tag to these two leads. I'm going to checkbox and then I'm going to click on add tag. When the pop-up appears, you can select multiple tags from the ones that are already existing, or you can simply create a new one. And when you're done, you can simply click on save and the tag will be added to the list of the leads that you have selected. Thank you very much.